In this little tutorial, which shouldn't take very long, I'm going to show you how to create a category page. Currently on our main shop page, we have the Bastille soap section. We currently do not have a page for that. I think when you click on the button, it does nothing. So we need to create a category page for this particular product. That we're going to do that within our shopping cart management tool. So if you go to your website, you can start in your dashboard right here, and you'll see the store products, the products in the collections. This is where you're going to want to manage your collections. The collection is basically the category of products. So we have all of the products here, or all of the categories listed here, and then some. We're not using all of these, and we're not linking to all of these, but they're there for future growth. And we talked a little bit about that yesterday with the Jewel Weed Spray. So we want to create a new collection for the Bastille soap. So we're sitting here in the collection section. I'm just going to say new collection. It's pretty easy at this point. And we'll type in the Bastille soap. You can add a collection image to this if you want. I notice that none of your collections have an image. Doesn't matter. Nobody sees these at all, but it would just be, let's just click one of these images here, add it to the page. And let's add a product to this collection right away because I'm pretty sure that you have already created this product. Although I'm not seeing anything for that. Here it is, Bastille soap. And I'm not sure about any of these other ones. I'll let you add those products to it if there are more. This is the only one that I see. So I'm going to just add that to your collection. Your collection's pretty much ready to go. We're going to save it. And it's going to ask us, add this collection to your site so customers can purchase from it. We would say normally add now. All right. I'm going to go ahead and skip this. Well, let's go ahead and add it now, and then we'll come back to that. Might take a little while for Wix to build that particular page out. We'll just give it a few more minutes. Should ask us if we want to build the page. It's still building. So, do you want to create a new page for this collection? Yes. The answer is yes. We don't want to add it to an existing page. We'll say Bastille soap, and we'll create the page. Okay, so here's the page. Now, there are some things I like to add to your page because it really is incomplete. If you look at your other pages, like the bath bombs, for example, it has a heading up above that's in green, okay? The reason for this is that bath bombs is an H1 tag. We're going to just click on that. You can see heading 1 right here. If you even go down to SEO accessibility H1, that's a heading tag. This is a really important tag on your pages. You should have one per page, should be at the top, and it should be an H1 tag, and it needs to be the title of what the page is all about. For instance, it's bath bombs. So we want to add this to any new page that we create. So I'm just going to copy this entire strip, and then I'm going to go down here back to my, let's see if we can find it here. Actually, I'm going to go to the menus and pages. And let's find Bastille soaps. It's in here somewhere. There it is right there. So I'm going to add this to that particular new page we created. So one of the things I need to do is grab onto my products, and I'm just going to scoot those things down with this anchor tag. This is a drag tag. It's a very handy tool. And then I'm going to paste my little header, but these aren't bath bombs. So I'm going to edit the text, and let's put in Bastille soap there. And then let's drag this little element right back up again. We don't want to butt it right up against the header. We want a nice little space in there. You're ready to go. Now, when you add more products to this particular category, they will automatically add to this particular page. All right? Always save your work. Always publish your work if you would like. But now we can go back to the shop page where our categories are at. Now this page was created manually, so some of the things we need to do, we have to do some things manually. So I'm going to go to the shop page, and I'm going to click on the button, and we want this button to link to our new Bastille soap page. So I'm just going to click on page and scroll on down to our new page. There it is. Boom. We want it to open in the current window, and we are done. But let's also do that with the photo, because all of these photos are also linking to their particular page. So I'm going to click on the little link, click on the photo. That's the object I'm working with. Choose the link, hit page, scroll all the way down to Bastille soap, current window, done. Now, no matter what your customer clicks on, whether it be the photo or the button, it's going to get them to their destination. So there you go. Now we've just created that particular page, and all of these other pages, I believe, are working and ready to go. So I'm going to publish this. It's already done for you, so you don't have to worry about it. But down the road, you may need to add more categories. Also, want you to know that in these menus here, I got all these pages linked together here under the store. I'm just going to grab this little anchor here and drag this up into your store also. That way, if you decide to close that down, sometimes it's easier just to see all of the pages that you're working with. The store page right here is not seen to the public, I don't think. You know what? It may be in the footer. Let me look down here. All products. I'm linking this all products link, which isn't, people aren't going to be searching by this very often, but it might be handy for you or someone who just wants to see all the products all at once. This particular all products is linking to this particular store page. All right. This store page has every product loaded on it. It's not in our menu up at the top. It's only in our menu down below. Something that's just a little bit convenient for you. The only thing that people see is the shop page. This is for navigation purposes. It just helps people get to their product or the product that they want a little bit quicker. So when they click on shop, they can choose lip balms and see all the different lip balms you might provide. All right. Also, just want to let you know, if you have a lip balm category, you ought to have more than one product under that category. Same thing with Bastille soap. If you have a Bastille soap category in a page, you ought to have more than one product for that particular page. So if I hit shop and I only see one product here, really what I'm doing is I'm just wasting clicks. Your customer would rather just go straight to the lip balm product. So if I were doing this, just so you know, I'm going to actually go to the products page, which is this right here. It's only one product. And I would copy this link up above. All right. And then go back to your editor. And this is the way you ought to do it. Just skip a page. Go to your shop button. Hit the link. Go to web address instead and paste in that long web address. Always hit current window. and hit done. You would do the exact same thing with the lip balm here, the picture. Let's click link, web address, paste in the web address, hit current window, and hit done. Now watch. I'm going to hit publish. I'm going to go back to my website. Let's go to the home page and let's refresh everything so it sees our changes. Now I'm shopping for lip balm. I'm going to bypass just one click and make it easy for the customers. I'm hitting shop because I want to shop for a product. Oh, there's my lip balm. I'm going to click on shop. And instead of going to a category page that only has one product in it and it's going to force me to click again, it's just taking me directly to the lip balm. So if you're going to have a category that has one product, this is the way I would do it. But if you have a category that has multiple products, like your goat soap, then definitely this is the proper way to do it, because then they can choose the particular goat milk soap that they want. Again, if you can see the extra steps here. If I'm going to Bastille soap shop, that's one click. Boom, there's 2 clicks. And it would have been nice if I could have just gone to this page. I hope this helps. I'm just trying to help you with your navigation. It really is important, making your navigation as simple as possible. So I'm going to stop here, and then you're going to be seeing another video here soon about your drop-down menus in the shopping pages. All right.